Speaker, I have been here for a while now. We have been subjected to humiliation by security as we are coming to Parliament this morning. And this is not affecting only opposition
Honorable
MPs.
members, listen.
We were removed from our vehicles. We are being stopped from parking. There are ununiformed security personnel in Parliament who are more than the 530 MPs. Madam Speaker, I have no guarantee that we don't, because in our rules, you don't carry guns beyond the main gate. I am not certain that there are no guns inside this building. And I am raising this because some of us have fallen victims before, including, by the way, NRM MPs. Some of this, Madam Speaker, point of privilege is for you to subject everybody and we empty the building to make sure, because Parliament must be an atmosphere of free debate. The way we came in and the angry faces, you see, people who kidnapped us came from here. We need to inspect all these rooms surrounding the chambers to be sure that an atmosphere, a free atmosphere for us to have a debate exists. Madam Speaker, that's the point I wanted to raise.
Thank you. We also have the Yala sitting in the same building. When we came in, personally I was subjected to a check. And I am not immune to anything. I mean, for the safety of the members of Parliament, I don't have any problem with that.